Next, 14th one. A, B, C are the three sets are given. That time we want to find these four. Okay, first one is what? A cross B intersection C. Okay, first you find B intersection C. Let B intersection C equal to elements of B 3, 4 intersection elements of C are 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Then B intersection C equal to, say intersection means taking the common elements. Now 4 is common in these two sides, therefore B intersection C gives 4. So what we want to find? We want to find A cross B intersection C. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 are the elements of A. Cross 4 means B intersection C has only single element, that is 4. Now 1 pair with 4. After that 2 pair with 4. After that 3 pair with 4. This is our A cross B intersection C. So ಮೊದಲ B intersection C find out ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. B intersection C find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ A cross B intersection C find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A ದೊಳಗ 4 elements ಅವ. ಸಾರಿ A ದೊಳಗ 3 elements ಅವ ರೀ. 1 2 3. B intersection C ದಾಗ ಒಂದೇ element ಅದ. So that time we have 1 4 2 4 3 4 is the A cross B intersection C. Next one, second one, A cross B intersection A cross C. Try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Second one, A cross B intersection A cross C. Let A cross B elements of A 1 2 3 cross elements of B 3 4. Now A cross B becomes one pair with these two elements, means 1 comma 3 1 comma 4. Next 2 pair with these two elements 2 comma 3 2 comma 4. Next 3 pair with these two elements, means 3 comma 3 3 comma 4. This is our A cross B. Similarly we want to find A cross C. Elements of A 1 2 3 cross elements of C 4 5 6. Then A cross C, one pair with these three elements, means 1 comma 4 1 comma 5 1 comma 6. After that you take 2 pair with three elements, 2 comma 4 2 comma 5 2 comma 6. After that you take 3 pair with 3 elements, means 3 comma 4 3 comma 5 3 comma 6. This is our A cross C. So what we want A cross B intersection A cross C, right? See here A cross B ಮತ್ತೆ A cross C ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋ ಪೇರ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 comma 4 1 comma 4 is common, therefore you take 1 comma 4. After that 1 comma 4 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ next common ಬರೋದು 2 comma 4. Take 2 comma 4. After that no common elements among these two, ಸೊ ಇವು 2 ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. therefore this is our a cross b intersection a cross c. a cross b ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, a cross c ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಎರಡೂದ್ರ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Now I will discuss about fourth one. After that I will discuss about the third one, because already we found a cross b necessary here, a cross c is also necessary here. Already we found these two, a cross b and a cross c. Better we do only union, that is enough. So therefore I left the third one, I will go to fourth one. After that I will do third one. Union. So already ನೀವು a cross b find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a cross c ನು find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Just we want a cross b union a cross c, ಅದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ find out ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀಡೋದು. Yes, union means combining the elements a cross b ಮತ್ತೆ a cross c the elements combine ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Yes, first I will write 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3. After that I have 1 comma 4. Here also I have 1 comma 4. Already I wrote 1 comma 4. Take the next element 1 comma 5, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 6. Next 1 comma 6 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 6 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. So previous ನಾವೇನು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 comma 4 ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 comma 4 ಅದ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 comma 4 ಅದ, ಅದೊಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಅದೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದೊಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. So this is a cross b union a cross c. So ಇವಾಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now third one, a cross b union c. Okay, first you find b union c. Let b union c elements of B 3 comma 4 union elements of C 4 5 6. Union means combining the elements 3 4 4 repeat together. So once you take 4, after that 5 comma 6. So this is our B union C. Union means combining the elements of the two sides. Combined ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 3 ಬರ್ದಿರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಬರ್ದಿರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಅದ, ಸೊ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ, ಸೊ 4 ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರೀರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಅದ, 6 ಅದ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ B union C. So what we want A cross B union C. Elements of A are 1 2 3 cross elements of B union C are 3 4 5 6. Now our required Cartesian product, one pair with all the four elements means 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, as well as two pair with all the four elements 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6, as well as three pair with all the four elements 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6. So that is our required A cross B union C. Next one, if A cross B equal to PQ PR MQ MR, then find sets A and B. Take the homework. Already we did this kind of examples, so try yourself. Every first element belongs to first set and every second element belongs to second set. On that base you write the elements of set A and elements of the set B. On that base, exercise 2.1 completed. In the next class I will start the next exercise 2.2.